Right, before we sign up for our free trial, let's talk pricing, right? It's quite easy to understand, and depending what level you're at, you may consider it expensive or not. Let's talk monthly pricing. A lot of people probably pay monthly. If you pay annually, obviously there's a discount. Um, First 1,000 subscribers are $29 a month, right? So you're going to get everything unlimited. Everything's everything in here is the same. It only matters on how many subscribers you've got, right? And these are active subscribers. I don't know. For one more, I'm not sure what it says exactly what a subscriber is, but you can clean your list and make sure that the people on your list are actually people who want to hear from you. It's really easy to do. Something I've just done, and where because you're paying per subscriber, you want to make sure that list of people is actually an active list of people want to talk to you, right? So first 1,000, $29, 1,000 to 3,000 is going to be 49, 3 to 5 is 79, and then onwards you can type in here if you've got 10,000 people on your list, it's going to cost you $119 a month, right? But if you've got a list of 10,000 active subscribers, then $119 a month's not a lot, right? If you've got a spam list of 10,000 people who don't want to hear from you, then you're probably better off, delete your list anyway and start afresh. So basically, it's easy to understand. You get everything other than free concierge migration. So I'm guessing you have to pay for this for less than that. But in the most part, you'll be able to do it yourselves, right? So goes up in the amount of live subscribers. So these are not people who've unsubscribed. These are not people on your list. It's going to show you cold subscribers. These are people who don't click at anything or don't open don't click really, don't actively do anything from your emails, become cold subscribers, and you can clear them off your list. I'm going to show you how to do that next.